Why poor people stay poor. Many people believe that poverty is simply a lack of money. But the truth is, it's a cycle, a system that keeps people trapped. The poor often struggle with low wages, unexpected expenses, and high-interest debt, making it nearly impossible to save or invest. As a result, they remain stuck in a loop, where financial struggles lead to stress, poor decisions, and missed opportunities. This cycle continues generation after generation, making it hard for many to break free. One of the biggest reasons people stay poor is their mindset about money. Many grow up hearing that money is the root of all evil, or that rich people are greedy. These beliefs create mental barriers that stop them from pursuing wealth. Additionally, many think that a higher salary is the key to financial success. While earning more can help, wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how well you manage it. Some people earn six figures yet still live paycheck to paycheck, while others with modest incomes build wealth through smart financial habits. The rich invest their money in assets that grow, while the poor often focus only on saving, which isn't enough to beat inflation. Another major issue is bad financial habits. Many poor people spend impulsively, take on debt for unnecessary purchases, and fail to plan for the future. Living paycheck to paycheck with no budget keeps them financially vulnerable. Instead of using credit cards and loans for investments, they use them for luxury items that don't generate income. A lack of financial education makes things worse. Schools don't teach personal finance, so people graduate without knowing how to manage money, invest, or build wealth. Meanwhile, banks and financial institutions profit by keeping people in debt, encouraging spending, and charging high interest rates. So how can someone break free from this cycle? It starts with changing their mindset about money. Instead of fearing wealth, they must see it as a tool for freedom, an opportunity. Learning financial skills like budgeting, investing, and building passive income is essential. Even small changes like saving a percentage of income and cutting unnecessary expenses can make a big difference over time. Additionally, relying on one income source is risky. Creating multiple income streams, such as freelancing, online businesses, or investments, can provide financial security. Ultimately, the key to escaping poverty is thinking long-term. The poor often focus on short-term survival, while the wealthy plan for future growth. Shifting from instant gratification to delayed rewards can transform financial situations. Money should work for you, not the other way around. By making smarter financial choices today, anyone can start building a more secure and prosperous future.